Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix Shein not letting you pay. So if you're having such issue, then you need to follow these steps. So first thing first, what you want to do is log into your Shein account. So you could use a browser or an app. Either way, the procedure will remain the same. And after which, what you need is here, you could just go to the home section, and from there click on the profile initials, after which you could go to the payment section and double check your card number, expiry date, and then the CVV code. Sometimes it could be due to the incorrect information as well. Apart from it, you also want to ensure your account has enough amount or money to cover for the purchase, and likewise if your bank might have flagged the transaction as potentially for the security purpose. And other than that, you could also check for corrupted browser data or outdated browser can cause problem as well. So you want to make sure to check for an update or any sort of clear cache or maybe clear storage as well. That might be able to help. Or else what you could also do is, if you're using any sort of VPN or extension installed to your device, you want to make sure to uninstall it or remove it. That might be able to help. So these are some of the ways you could fix Shein. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.